Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain how to download and install latest version Java in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. Before installing Java latest version in your PC and laptop, you need to download latest version setup file. So here first we tell you how to download latest version setup file. Here I am use Chrome browser for downloading setup file. You can use any browser. In the search bar, simply type Java JDK download and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. Now you can just click on the first website, Java downloads. After clicking, we have come to the home page and scroll down this page. After scrolling, you can see here Java latest version will be visible 19.0.2. Here you need to first we select your operating system. I am use Windows operating system, so select Windows. If you use another operating system, then select your operating system. After that, download any installer. I will suggest you to download a second option, that is .exe installer. So simply click on the second link. After clicking, you can see here our download will be started. We have already downloaded this file, so cancel it and go to our download folder and see the installation process. So this is my download folder, and you can see here our download will be completed and Java latest version setup file will be visible. Now simply double click on it and run the setup file. After running setup file, this interface will be appear first. Simply click on next button. Now here if you want to change installation path, then you can simply click on the change button to change it. Otherwise you can simply click on the next button. After clicking, your installation will be started. Please wait few seconds to install your Java JDK in your PC. So our installation will be completed. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you want to run Java program in command prompt or any Java ID, so I have already made this video and uploaded this channel. Link will be in description. You can watch this video. Thank you.